Have you ever dreamed of carrying a drone in your pocket that shoots cinematic footage like a Hollywood rig? Well, buckle up, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the drone we've all been waiting for. This isn't just another update in the Mini lineup. This feels like DJI ripping up the old rulebook and writing a new one for compact drones. And trust me, you're going to want to hear what's packed inside this little flying powerhouse. For years, drone users like us had to choose between two worlds: small drones that were convenient but limited, or big bulky machines that gave you professional-grade features but weighed as much as your entire camera bag. DJI's Mini 5 Pro changes that equation entirely. Under 250 grams. This drone is not only featherlight, but also breaks through barriers that many thought were impossible. And why does that 250 grams number matter so much? Simple regulations. In most countries, drones under this weight face fewer restrictions, less paperwork, and fewer headaches. In other words, you can focus on flying and creating, not drowning in bureaucracy. At first glance, the Mini 5 Pro looks familiar: foldable arms, sleek DJI styling, and that classic take-me-anywhere vibe, but on closer inspection. DJI has completely re-engineered this bird. Aerodynamics have been fine-tuned, meaning smoother flight, less noise, and better battery efficiency. The propellers have been reshaped with swept-back tips, which not only reduce drag but also make the drone quieter, perfect for vloggers who don't want their audio ruined by buzzing rotors. And here's a neat touch: the new tap-and-twist system for attaching propellers. Well, no more fiddling around when you're in a rush to catch that golden hour shot. But let's be honest, none of us buy drones just to admire their hinges, right? The real star here is the camera. DJI has somehow squeezed in a 1-inch sensor with a bright f1.8 aperture and a 24mm equivalent lens. For a sub-250G drone, that's insane. Bigger sensors mean more light, sharper details, and way better low-light performance. Think sunsets, dusky cityscapes, or early morning mountain shots. You'll finally get those cinematic, noise-free images without carrying a brick. And that f1.8 aperture, that means beautiful, natural background blur, giving your footage that filmic look we all chase. Video creators, this is where things get even crazier. The Mini 5 Pro records 4K at 120 frames per second, which means buttery, smooth slow motion from a drone that literally weighs less than your phone. Need closer shots? There's even a 48mm mode, basically a built-in telephoto lens without killing image quality. Add HDR modes for balanced highlights and shadows, and suddenly, you've got a drone that rivals professional rigs for a fraction of the weight and price. And wait until you hear this: obstacle avoidance just got a major upgrade. Traditional drones rely on visual sensors, which are fine until it's too dark or you're flying near tricky obstacles like wires. The Mini 5 Pro introduces LiDAR obstacle detection, mapping its environment with light pulses. Translation: this drone is far less likely to smash into trees, poles, or reflective glass buildings. Whether you're a nervous beginner or a pro, flying through tight cityscapes, that's confidence in the air. G didn't stop there either. Ports suggest a redesigned gimbal with more movement flexibility, up to 330 degrees of yaw, and around 225 degrees of tilt capture. It's giving you more creative freedom without constantly repositioning the drone. Pair that with up to 36 minutes of flight time on a standard battery or an extended option that pushes close to 50 minutes. And you've got endurance that rivals much heavier drones. And the rumored quick launch feature is a dream for creators. Imagine unfolding the drone, pressing a single button, and boom, it takes off straight from your hand. No controller fumbling, no wasted time, just instant liftoff for those fleeting shots like a hawk diving or the sun dropping below the horizon. Now let's talk about price. Insiders suggest it'll launch between $899 and $999. Not exactly budget, but nowhere near the multi-$1,000 pro rigs either. DJI is carving out a new category here: premium compact drones. Affordable enough for serious enthusiasts, powerful enough for pros who want a lightweight backup, and release timing. Buzz points to September, though DJI has been known to surprise us with quiet rollouts. Here's the bottom line. Against hobby drones, The Mini 5 Pro is untouchable. It offers features they simply can't. Against heavy rigs, it wins not by brute force, but by freedom, portability, and convenience. For travelers, vloggers, small production teams, or even professionals who just want a pocket-sized backup drone, this is nothing short of a revolution. DJI has once again raised the bar for the entire industry. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro just another drone? Absolutely not. Proof that portability and professional performance can coexist in a device lighter than your smartphone. A 1-inch sensor for 120fps video, LiDAR obstacle detection, extended flight times, all in a sub 250 grams frame. DJI isn't just refreshing a lineup, they're reshaping the future of compact drones. And before you head out, tell me this: if you had the Mini 5 Pro in your backpack right now, what's the first shot you'd capture? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Smash that like button so more creators find this video, and check out the videos on screen for more insider looks at DJI and other game-changing gadgets. It's because, trust me, this is just the beginning.